Well, Stork Technology, what is that?
Well, we are, by most textile people, we are known as the company Stork. Stork was a very old Dutch company, started once in diesel engines for boats and in trains and everything. From there they came into textile printing. They invented rotary screen printing in 1963, which still today is the dominant technology to print textiles. And we are by far the market leader in that area. And from there we went into digital. In 1986 we started, 1987, so almost 30 years ago. So if you think it's new, digital, well, 30 years ago we started. We launched the first machine in 1991, a textile printer. And remember, that was 4 years before Windows 95 came out. So there was no Windows, there were no color monitors, so we could not even see on a monitor the image that we were going to digitally print on the fabric. So from there on we took the whole development. Meanwhile the Stork company has been splitted up, and that's why today we are not called Stork anymore, but we are SPG Prints. But we still refer to the Stork Technology because that's the safe haven for people to understand, okay, these are the guys that know everything about textiles. And from this heritage of textiles we went into other areas. So today we are using the same screen technology printing for the label industry, so the graphics. We are in security printing. So if you take the euro banknote, parts of the banknote is printed with our technology. All the Chinese RMB banknotes are printed with our technology. We are a label printer, so if you buy a shampoo and you see the label on the shampoo bottle, it's printed most probably with our technology. So also there we went into digital. And from there we also came into the market which is typically for FESPA, which is screen printing from the beginning, but a lot in sign and banner. So we also have products going into sign and banner. And a lot of that, of course, is polyester fabrics. So we are launching here, as you can see there, Nebula, sublimation and disperse inks. These are inks that can be used to print on polyesters. Not only for the fashion, but also for the sign and banner market.
And what are you doing here at FESPA Digital? What are you showcasing? We are looking at this amazing future that you have here. Tell us the story about that.
Yeah, well, we would, of course, Amsterdam is in Holland. Stork is a Dutch company, so this is our home game. So we said we have to do our home game, and that gives us the opportunity to bring customers to our factory. We have just launched a complete new digital machine, 27 meter long, printing 40 meters per minute textiles. But to bring a machine like that to a show like here and build it up in a few days is impossible. You need 3-4 weeks to build it up. So we cannot do that, but we can, of course, we can bring the people from here to our factory. So that's what we want to do. But we said, of course, it has to show that we are doing something in digital, and we're a big ink manufacturer. So we have a screen where we show our machine, but we also wanted to have something that is depicting ink and inkjet. So we were thinking about fountains, colored fountains shooting up in the air, but then you talk to the safety guys and it's difficult to do. And then somehow we found a company that is doing this. Wow. And actually this is real water falling down.
Well,
yeah, and you can program it. I have to catch it.
Wow!
You see, it's real water.
Wow, it's amazing. It's very good.
Yeah, but you can program it. So you will see in a second that we also can write text. Actually, when we tested it, they had an iPad, so we could write on the iPad with our finger, and you saw it here dropping down. Now it works like a curtain. You could even take a shower if you want.
Yeah, that could be really refreshing.
Yeah. If it's getting too hot at the end of the day, we can take a shower. But yeah, we wanted to depict something that is with jetting, that's with fluids, it's with color, and it really catches the eye. And I think we can say, here you saw our logo falling down, Pike, that's the name of our machine. It really catches the eye. From the beginning, people came here, they saw it, and I just walked around on the show, and the colleagues in our industry, they all said, wow, what you have there is great again. So every time we try to come up with something new that really catches the people's eye. And once they're on your booth, yeah, you can talk to them, and of course you can offer them the solutions that you have for printing, for their printing need. And this is the way to capture them.
Wow, definitely you have catched them, you have catched us, and there will be a really great show for your company. So tell us, Jos, why is the reason? Why have you launched your products at FESPA? Why is FESPA so important for your company?
Well, we have been at FESPA for many years. Not only this one, but also many of the regional ones. So we have been working with FESPA for as long as I can remember. And actually, in the beginning, when we started digital, the traditional textile shows that we were attending, they didn't look at digital at all, because they were very conventional oriented, and they said, well, digital, it's a nice gimmick, but it will never be anything for production. So we were having digital and there was nowhere to showcase. And then at that point in time, the FESPA industry was one of the first to go digital. So they were inviting us as textile company to come and show here. So I'm talking late 90s, early 2000s, FESPA was basically the main show for us to show digital. Of course, now some things have changed. The traditional textile shows now also showcase a lot of digital. But yeah, FESPA is still one of the major digital shows. So there cannot be a FESPA digital without us. So we belong to each other.
No, definitely we belong to each other. I completely agree, and this is something so unique. I'm so pleased that you have decided to show it at FESPA, and I really wish you a great show.
Thank you very much. We enjoy it here, and we're very happy that the people come to our beautiful country, and I hope they all enjoy our very nice waterfall and our company, and of course I hope they buy our products.
Definitely they will. Thank you so much, George, for your time.
Thank you.